Hi everyone, my name is Abel Gray Cantoma. I'm from Greatest Card Design Concept. This is actually my WhatsApp contact. You can reach me on this number. You can DM me on WhatsApp. These are the list of softwares I've covered on my YouTube channel, and we now teach all of these softwares on our Telegram platform. For a token of 6,000, you want to be part of a group. For 25,000, you want to learn as an individual. We'll teach you all the softwares, we'll give you the softwares, we'll show you how to install them on your system and then how to crack them on your system, and we'll guide you through the process until you attain mastery. Okay, and today I'm going to be taking you through the last part of a series that we've been running on protastructure. As you can see, this is the design we have been running this. If you have been following, if you already like what you are seeing so far, why not give it a thumbs up? Like this video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. You see a red button down below this video. Just click on that red button and you have subscribed already. It's actually free. Okay, click on the bell icon so as to get a notification whenever I post videos. I post videos like these on a weekly, sometimes on a daily, so as to encourage as many that want to have a deeper insight of design. Okay, right now this is our design we have been running so far. Right now I'm going to be inserting our base on this. I'll be going to my story 0. Okay, if this is the first time you are coming across our videos, you can just go down below the description of this video, and then you'll find a link to our YouTube channel. Okay, just go through that link and then you have access to all of our tutorials. We have covered a very wide range of tutorial. Okay, we've covered raft foundation, different kinds of slab, the waffle slab, reef slab, and so many other interesting softwares that you find on our channel. Okay, right now I'm on story 0. The next thing I'm going to do is just to highlight all of this. Okay, on story 0, the only thing you're going to be seeing are your positions of your columns. Okay, you will see that all our slab, our beam are actually not present on this particular level. Okay, here you just right click, and then you can just click on insert base part. Okay, and then on this tutorial I'm only going to be inserting my base. I'm going to be doing only my part foundations. Okay, I'm going to allow that to load. Sorry, it's still loading, so you allow it to finish loading. Okay, I'm actually going to take that again. I'm just going to highlight some of these columns, and then I right click and then I insert part base. You can see I'll just click on this. Okay, while designing this, you can see the footing depth. You can change the depth of this footing. Mind you, you must put into consideration your soil properties. Okay, from your soil results, that is where you get your allowable stress of soil. From your soil result, that is your soil bearing capacity. Then your concrete cover, I'm going to leave it at 40, and then the depth of the footing, okay, you can try 40. If it's okay, you leave it. If it's you must consider safety and economical as well. Okay, so I'm just going to drop this down to, let's say, 350 and see if it works for us. Okay, and then your soil unit width, your surcharge height, all of these. Okay, you can see I can click on square if I want my column, my base to be square. Okay, I can take it off if I want it to give me maybe a rectangular shape. Okay, but I prefer using a square base. Okay, you can see the reinforcement here. You can make a choice. Okay, now this is from our settings that we did using on our building analysis, where we set our, when we edit our material, we selected this list of reinforcement. So Y12 is not among the reinforcement we selected. That is why we are not seeing it here. Okay, so around, you can act protastructure, rather, you can actually use it, you can actually play with it to give you what you want, okay, to your very taste. Okay, that is this, and then click on OK, and then come to your column data. This is what you're going to be seeing. Okay, you can scroll down to see your column data. Okay, once I click on OK, I click on calculate. Okay, and then I click on OK to design all those places that I've highlighted already. Okay, mind you, while inserting your part base, for example, let me highlight this and insert this. Okay, sorry, this is not giving me what I want. Okay, now you can as well, for example, you can see this is a square footing. You can as well edit this. Maybe you don't want this that is giving you. Okay, you can as well edit that and then change the value there. Once you change the reinforcement here, you discover that the spacing here will actually, how you can see this spacing here has reduced. If I made it to 116 y16, you can see if I change this to y20, okay, y20 still maintain that spacing. Let's see. Okay, still maintain the spacing, but you can actually use your discretion to increase that spacing. Okay, that is that. You just click on OK and it will design that for you. Okay, that's just how you can come about your base. Okay, here is supposed to be a combined base. Okay, you can achieve your combined base from you can see combine selected columns, walls. Okay, okay, here now you can see those places I have inserted our base. You can see the base has been inserted. Okay, right now the next thing I'm going to do is to go to my analysis, and then I'll just analyze this. You can do this on your own and insert all the base into your design. Okay, I'll be going to my story 1. Okay, so story 2. Okay, okay, I'll go to my building analysis. Okay, yeah, you can edit our materials. Okay, where you can change the size of your steel. You can see like our steel column. I'm going to leave it at that. Okay, here steel beam. Okay, I'm going to leave this like this. Truss beam, I'm going to leave it like this. I'm going to leave all of this as it is. Okay, my concrete column, you can see I'm using y16 and 20. Okay, so protastructure is actually going to select the reinforcement he feels that is actually going to be more suitable among this y16 and y20 that I have selected. Okay, go to my beams, the same thing as well. So you have to be, this place is very sensitive. You can see here y10 is actually ticked. If you are not careful, protastructure can actually provide your reinforcement. It can even provide y10 for you in your beam. Okay, so you have to be very careful. You can see y13 is actually here. I'm going to uncheck that. Protastructure can design, and provided you checked y13, is going to design for you using y13. So if you are not careful, it's going to select y13 among the reinforcement, which you know very much well that is actually not customary to use y13 in your construction. or is actually not even available in the market in most cases. Okay, so so here is very very sensitive, where you make selections of your reinforcement. Okay, for my slab, you can see y8 here is here. I'm going to take that off, because if you are not careful, protastructure can actually design for you using y10 or even that y8. Okay, so it's a garbage in garbage out software, so you must be very very careful with whatever selection you are doing in your protastructure. And for my links, as you know, it is customary to use y10 in Nigeria. Okay, even as much as sometimes your design may provide y8 for you, but it is customary to use y10 in Nigeria. Okay, I'm not saying y8 is wrong, but okay. um, okay, I'm going to leave it at this, and then I'm going to click on OK. Okay, you can come to your parameters. Okay, you can see we are actually using British code. You can make a selection, you can change. If you don't want to use British standard, you can use Euro code or whatever code of practice that is actually approved in your country. Okay, go to your foundation, your allowable stress of your soil. Okay, your subcharge, your soil subcharge sub grade coefficient, sorry. These are, I'm going to leave the default value that is there, but if you have from your soil test result, you can just input all of those values there. Your lateral loading, your lateral drift. Okay, your project header. Okay, you can write that. Made by, you can write the name of the person who did the design. You can just type in your name if you are the one who did the design, and checked by. Okay, maybe if it's going through another engineer, you can just write down his name, the project number. Okay, maybe you have other projects that you have done using protastructure, you can just sort it by a number, and then the project date. Okay, you just type in the date of that project, so I'm actually going to leave that blank. Okay, and then you come to your loading combination. Here too is very very important. You must do you must load this. Okay, you can come to your horizontal. Okay, so I'm going to actually leave everything as it is, but just in case you want to include your wind loading, you can check that wind loading, and then I'm going to click on OK. There are conditions whereby you involve wind loading, but this building is actually not that high to actually include that wind loading. Okay, I'm actually going to click on OK. Okay, when you come to your story loads and your parameters, here you can see normally you can actually like in protastructure 219, you have your wind calculator, where you can just calculate that considering your country or the environment. Okay, click on OK. Okay, come to my analysis, you can see I have already can just reselect all of these. Okay, and now I'm going to click on OK. Okay, you can see everything is checked. It's telling me that everything is actually good, everything is okay. Okay, okay, you can check all of this if you want to. Everything is okay. I'm going to click on close. Okay, right now I can actually go to my steel design, just in case I want to see my steel members. I can just go to load prota steel. Okay, you allowed that to load. Okay, so this is what we have here. Let's zoom this. Now this is our design. okay, on our protastructure. Okay, I can rotate this. Okay. Okay, if you really like what you're seeing, why not give it a thumbs up? Subscribe to this channel, it's actually free. Click on the bell icon so as to get a notification whenever I post videos. I post videos like this on a weekly, sometimes on a daily, so as to encourage as many that want to have a deeper insight of design. Okay, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button. Okay, here you can see our slab is here. I will have to use our slab strip to see the reinforcement that has been provided on our slabs. Okay, so I'm going to do a little demonstration here right now. Click on slab strip. Once I click on slab strip, you can see it's on analytical strip. I have demonstrated this in the past series of this where I demonstrated how you can come up with your waffle slab, reef slab, and then your solid slab. These are actually solid slabs, so I'm going to demonstrate that right now. You can see our direction is on XX right now. If it's on YY, I change that, so I'm going to leave it on XX. And then if I'm actually taking my strip from a beam, this is a beam across another beam, all I will have to do here is just to you can see here is actually interactive. Supposed to okay, this is from a beam across a beam, so all I'll have to do here is just to drag this here. Just for example, I want to drop this. You can hold on your control key so as to make it straight, and then I drop. Sorry, hold on control, drop. Okay, I have stripped that. You can see the reinforcement here has been provided as Y12 at 250 spacing. Here we also have our Y12 at 250 spacing. Okay, so I actually made a little mistake here. This is supposed to be a beam going across this is not okay, going across a slab. Okay, so if I'm to demonstrate this again, sorry for that error that I made. Okay, let's say I'm taking this across, sorry, let me take that strip again. Okay, still on strip. Okay, I take it again. If I take this, oh, let me delete this instead. Okay, I delete this. Okay, so I'm going to take that again. Okay, I'm going a beam, I'm going across a slab. Okay, so if I drag this, I hold on my control, and then drop. Sorry, the diagram is actually very large, so it's actually it's not very straight as I want it to be, but I guess it's manageable. Okay, so this is what we're going to have. So you can run that across every other beam, every other slab that is here. Okay, let's say I'm taking this for this slab strip. Now starting from a slab, now across I'm stopping at a beam. Okay, all I have to do now is to click on slab and then click on beam. Now my starting is a slab, my end is a beam. I hope you understand that. You can visit my YouTube channel and then keep yourself busy to have a deeper insight of what I'm actually demonstrating right now. Okay, I'm going to hold on this, I'll drag, and then I'll hold on my control and I drop it. Hold on control, drop. Okay, aha, now this is what I'm supposed to have here. Okay, so basically that's how you do it for all. In the case of cantilever, all you have to do is just to click on your if your cantilever is your starting point, you click on the cantilever, and then definitely there will be a beam at the other end, and then you just click on cantilever, then you click on your beam at the end, and that is all. Then you drag and then you drop, as easy as that. Then you see your reinforcement that has been provided for all your slabs, okay, in your design. Okay, that is we've covered a whole lot on this design. All we have to do now is just to check some of structural members, if they are actually safe or not. Let's go and check our prota steel. Oh, sorry about that. Okay, if I go on my prota steel, I just want to see some of those structural members. Okay, let me check my beam that I have designed. Okay, alright, good. You can see all my beams have actually passed. So I can do that for all the steel members. I can check for my poline, I can check for my breeze. Okay, if I had a steel column, I can just check that. I can click on that and I will check. I can go for my column sections, which is a reinforced concrete. Okay, now you can see most of columns here are actually very much safe. Okay, so you can check that for all the structural members. Okay, when okay, you can actually check that for your beam. You can check that for your slab as well. Okay, make sure that you stay safe and make sure that you stay blessed. If you have any more questions, you can send in your questions through my WhatsApp contact, and you can even call me, or you want to register with us and you want to learn design. We are here to guide you through the process until you attain mastery. Make sure that you stay safe and make sure that you stay blessed.